Good morning everyone, I am Twinkle Quatra, currently a legal intern at Lexis and Company. And today the topic that I am going to start is Juhi Chawla and her 5G case. So we all know that media or newspaper can't give us whole information about the court order, or they can't tell in detail that what the court has ordered, right? So when the headline came that Juhi Chawla has been fined with rupees 20 lakh, everyone thought that the court has listened to the matter and then dismissed the matter and then fined her with rupees 20 lakh. But in reality, the court have never listened to the matter. So now in this video, we will find out that on what grounds the fine was imposed on her. So let us make it clear that Juhi Chawla never filed a writ. It was a civil case that was filed by her. And in our four Mahanagars, that is four metropolitan, that are Mumbai, Delhi, Kolkata and Chennai, if the matter of the case is high, so a person can file the case directly to the High Court. So in this case as well, Juhi Chawla told that the case value is of rupees 2 crore and the court fee in these matters are 1,97,554, but the case was filed with the case value 1950 only, and the logic was given that Juhi Chawla will challenge the court fee as well. The act in which court fee occurs, the Juhi Chawla will also challenge it, but the court denied the logic and asked her to give whole court fees within 1 week. So apart from the court fee application, there were two more applications. One of them was under section 80 of CPC. CPC we all know, Civil Procedure Code, and section 80 of CPC says that you have to give notice to government or any public officer on which you are filing the case before 2 months. Before 2 months means if you are filing a case on government or any authority that comes under the government or any public officer, you have to give them notice before 2 months, right? But if the case is of urgent nature, then you can file the application without giving the notice. And in this case of Juhi Chawla, the lawyer of Juhi Chawla said that the case is of urgent nature, and he filed the application without giving the notice to the government authority, and the government authority that came under was Science and Engineering Research Board. So they should have given the notice to them, but they didn't give the notice and filed the case on the urgency basis. But on the other hand, court said that this matter is not at all urgent and thus dismissed the application under section 80 of CPC. Second application was filed under section 91 of CPC. Section 91 of CPC says that public nuisance and wrongful activities affecting the public. So under this section, order 1 rule 8, the application was filed that this 5G network is hurting the people and causing hurt to people and will be harmful for the future generation as well. So they want to ask for the permission for representative suit under order 1 rule 8, and they also said that due to COVID, under this application, the lawyer of Juhi Chawla also said that due to COVID, all the people that are being affected cannot be invited in the meeting. So give permission to Juhi Chawla to proceed this case and let her give the justice that she wants. And also the court heard the matter under section 91 and order 1 rule 8 and said that Juhi Chawla has misused the process of law and done this act, or we can say that filed this case for the publicity, as the link has been shared to her as she was concerned with the case. So the link has been shared to us because due to COVID, we all know that the cases are holding with video conferencing. So the link has been shared to her, but she shared the link to her social network and all the people came, and you also know that one of the person continuously make nuisance by singing the singing song of Juhi Chawla, and to that person also court has given contempt of court and asked Delhi police to find that person, and then the notice will be charged against him. And one more thing on which she has been filed with rupees 20 lakh is that the paragraph was in case the paragraph was of 169, but only 8 were known to her, and rest, that is 161, were written on mere knowledge. So the court said that the cases which are on the basis of mere information are not maintainable, obviously. So these were the reasons on behalf of which she was filed rupees 20 lakh. And one more thing we should notice, that the case was heard under section 91 of CPC order 1 rule 8, and it was heard on merit basis, and it was not heard on merit basis, and was rejected on technical basis only. So now if Juhi Chawla wants to file the case again, so she can file under section 80 of CPC by giving notice, and by removing the defects that the court told her. So that's it for the video. I hope it will help you further, and if you have any doubt, you can comment down below, and also like, share and subscribe to Lexis and Company. Thank you.